Hello children, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to learn lesson 4 measurement. In this lesson we are going to learn about measurement. The length can be measured by two units. Number 1 non-standard units, number 2 standard units. Look at the first pictures dears. This is non-standard unit. Using non-standard unit, if you measure, the measurement will change person to person. It is varies. It is differ. Look at the second picture. This picture is standard units. Using the standard units, if you measure, the measurement should be remain. It won't change. Understood? So, two things we are used to measure our things. One is non-standard units. Number 2 is standard units. Now, we are going to see length measured using standard units. Number 1 millimeter. Number 2 centimeter. Number 3 meter. Number 4 kilometer. These are units used to measure the length. These are the standard units used to measure the length. Now we will discuss these units briefly. Now look at that first one. Now we are going to discuss about millimeter and centimeter. First 2 meters we are going to discuss. Millimeter and centimeter. Millimeter. Millimeter is the smallest unit of the length. Okay dears. So if you are measuring the length means in this very smallest unit is millimeter. Millimeter is the smallest unit of length. The short form of millimeter is mm. How can we measure? How can we write mm means from the milli you have to take m. From the meter you have to take m. So from milli m, from meter m, so mm. The short form of millimeter is mm. Now we are going to see centimeter. Centimeter can be written as cm. This is the short form of centimeter is cm. Okay dears, from centi take c, from meter take m, you have to write cm. Next, we use scale to measure small length. If you are measure small length means we can use scale. If you are measuring playground, classroom, you have to use tape. Whatever we have to use tape. If you are measuring small things means you can use scale and measure the centimeter. If you are measuring the big items, that is playground, classroom means if you are use the tape and measure the centimeter. Understood? Now we are going to see meter and kilometer. So next to two standard units now we are going to discuss. First one is meter. Running race measured by meter. All will enjoy no running race during sports day. Yes, that sports day you are conducting running race in our school. So in this running race can be measured by meter. Next, meter denoted as m. So the short form of meter is m. Next we are going to discuss kilometer. Distance measured by kilometer. Distance means CDS if you are coming from your home and reaching to the school. So from home to school, how much distance you are traveling, that can be measured by kilometer. So if you are traveling from one place to another place, that can be measured by kilometer. So kilometer can be written as km. This is the short form of kilometer as km. So from kilo you take k, from meter you take m. So short form of kilometer is km. So this is the formula for standard units. Now look at the formulas dears. Now number 1. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Again I will say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Number 2. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. Number 3, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Students, keep in your mind, formula is very important for doing sums, that is calculating sums. So you should keep formula very much important. So now look at the formulas. Again I'll repeat. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Next we are going to see conversion of meter into centimeter. Before go to the sum, you should think what is the formula for converting meter to centimeter. Think. Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So formula is very important, I told you, no. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If you are using formula only, we can do the sum. We can solve the sum. So formula for meter to centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now look at the A sum. Convert 5 meter into centimeter. So now they given 5 meter. They told you to convert into centimeter. Now we'll move on to the answer. So whenever sum they given, you should write the sum first as such. So what sum they given? 5 meter. So write 5. So 5 meter. Next step you should write formula. What is the formula for conversion meter to centimeter? Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now third step you should write what the sum they given? 5 meter. So 5 meter is equal to question mark. Why I should put question mark here? Because we don't know the answer. That is what we wrote as a question mark. Now what should we do? We should do the cross multiplication. That is 5 into 100. So 5 into 100 is equal to 500 centimeter. Understood? Again I'll say. Now they given the first sum is 5 meter. Whenever given the sum, you should write the answer. You should write the sum as such. So first step, write the sum 5 meter. Second step, write the formula. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Third step, you should substitute. So 5 meter is equal to question mark. Next we should do the cross multiplication. So 5 into 100, 500. So the answer is 500 centimeter. Now look at the B sum. Convert 4 meter 35 centimeter into centimeter. So look at the sum. In this sum they given meter as well as centimeter. So centimeter we should not change. You should keep it as such. Meter alone we should change it as centimeter. Now shall we do the sum, dears? Yes. So now answer. So first step what I told, you should write the sum as such. So 4 meter 35 centimeter. Second step what we should write? Yes, we should write formula. What is the formula? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Third step what we should do? We should do the substitution. So that is 4 meter. 35 we should not take because 35 already centimeter. So no need to convert. Only meter. So 4 meter is equal to question mark. Now what we should do? We should do the cross multiplication. That is 4 into 100. 4 into 100, 400. So write 400. Now the sum itself already they given how much centimeter? Yes, they given 35 centimeter. What should we do? We should add the 35 centimeter along with 400 centimeter. So 400 plus 35. So 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 3, 3. 4 as such. So answer is 435 centimeter. If the sum meter as well as centimeter if they given, keep the centimeter as such. Meter alone convert, then along with that you should add centimeter. Then finally we'll get the answer. Now we are going to see conversion of centimeter into meter. Okay dears, now what is the formula for converting centimeter into meter? Yes, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So centimeter into meter is a formula is 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now shall we move to the sum? Yes. Now look at the first sum. 700 centimeter into meter. Now what should we do? First step, you should write the sum as such. So write 700 centimeter. Second step, what is the step? Yes, we should write the formula. What is the formula? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Third step, what? We have to substitute. Okay, dears. Now, 700 centimeter I wrote is equal to question mark. Now, we should do the cross multiplication. So, 700 into 1. What is that multiplication of 700 into 1? Yes, 700 into 1, 700. Now, see dears, your left hand side 100 is there. What should we do? That 100 we should divide. Understood? So, right hand side 1 we should multiply. Left hand side 100 we should divide. So, 700 divided by 100. Now, look at this next step. So, 700 by 100. If you are writing divide symbol, after that you have to write in by symbol. That is 700 by 100. So, see dears. So, 100 you have 2 zeros. So, 700 you have 2 zeros. So, cut the zeros. So, from 100 down 1 0, up 1 0. Again down 1 0, up 1 0. So, balance remaining is what number it is? 7. So, the answer is 7 meter. So, here we have to do the division. So, 700 by 100. So, 0, 0, 0, 0. So, balance remaining 7. That is what I wrote. 7 meter. Now, look at the B sum. 536 centimeter into meter. So, first step, you should write the question as such. So, write 536 centimeter. Second step, write the formula. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Third step, substitute. So, 536 centimeter is equal to question mark. So, what should we do? We have to do the division. 536 divided by 100. Next step, 536 by 100. Now, CDS, last sum they given zeros. So, we cut the zeros as such we wrote the answer. But this sum they didn't give the zero. How can we cut the zeros DS? So, we can't cut the zero. So, for that what should we do? This is a very easiest method. How many zeros there? 2 zeros there. So, 2 zeros you should keep 1 dot after 2 number. Again, I'll repeat. 2 zeros means you should keep 1 dot after 2 number. That number should always start from your right hand side. That is ones place. So, 2 0. So, 1, 10. After that, you keep 1 dot. So, 106. Next 0, 3. So, keep 1 dot. So, 5.36. Again, I'll repeat. The first sum, they given 0. So, no problem. We cut the 0 above and down. But the second sum, they didn't give the 0. So, 0 if they didn't give means we can't cut. For that time, we should take how many zeros they given. From that, your right hand side, you should keep dot. So, 2 zeros. So that we take 1, 10, then keep dot. So, 5.36. So, before 0.5 is there, no, that 5 we call it as meter. After 0.36 is there, no, that we call it as centimeter. So, the answer is 5 meter 36 centimeter. Next, we are going to see add the following. Add 34 meter 91 centimeter plus 25 meter 42 centimeter. First step, we should write meter then centimeter. Below the meter, write 34. Below the centimeter, write 91 plus 25, 42. So while doing addition, from which side we should start here? Yes, your right hand side. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Write 3 here. 1 carry over. 1 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 10. Write 0 here. 1 carry over. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. So the answer is 60 meter 33 centimeter. Now we are going to do subtraction. Subtract 42 meter 52 centimeter minus 17 meter 15 centimeter. First write meter, then centimeter. Below the meter write 42. Below the centimeter write 52 minus 17, 15. Now students, while doing subtraction, we should start from which place, dear? Yes, we have to start from ones place. Now you have to start from centimeter, ones place. Can you subtract 5 from 2? No, we can't subtract. For that, what should we do? We have to borrow. So 5 minus 1, 4. Now ones place, 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Move on to the next. 4 minus 1, 3. Move on to meter side. Can you subtract 7 from 2? No, we can't subtract. For that, what should we do? We have to borrow. So 4 minus 1, 3. Here 12. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is 25 meter 37 centimeter. Now we are going to see base sum. Look at the sum. Mala bought 18 meter 73 centimeter of green ribbon and 27 meter 65 centimeter of red ribbon for decorating the hall. What is the total length of the ribbon? Students, in this sum, what should we do? We have to do subtraction or addition. Yes, we have to do the addition because here they given total. Total is the key word for addition. So look at the answer. Length of the green ribbon is equal to 1873. Length of the red ribbon is equal to 2765 plus. Now while doing addition, from which place we should start? Yes, ones place. So we should start from centimeter. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So write 3 here. 1 carry over. 1 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 16. Write 6, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. So total length of the ribbon is 46 meter 38 centimeter. Now look at this sum. Lata purchased 42 meter 52 centimeter rope and she used 17 meter 15 centimeter rope to tie a pony. What is the remaining length of the rope she had? So in this sum, students, what should we do? Yes, we should do the subtraction because here they given remaining. Remaining is the key word for subtraction. So now we are going to do answer. Meter, centimeter. Rope purchased 42, 52. Rope given to pony minus 17, 15. Now we are going to do subtraction, remaining rope. Dears, can you subtract 5 from 2? We can't subtract. For that, what should we do? We have to borrow. So here 12. Next place 5 minus 1, 4. So 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Move on to meter. Can you subtract 7 minus 2? That is 7 from 2. We can't subtract. So for that, what should we do? We have to borrow. So here 12. Next place 4 minus 1, 3. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So remaining length of the rope is 25 meter 37 centimeter. Students, let us recall what are the topic today we saw. First we saw measurement. Next we saw standard units of length. So what are the standard units we saw, dears? Yes, millimeter, centimeter, meter, then kilometer. Then we saw formula for standard units. Next we saw conversion of meter into centimeter. Next we saw conversion of centimeter into meter. Then addition. Then subtraction. Understood, dears? Now this is your assignment. Do your assignment. First one, convert 37 meter into centimeter. So they given meter, they told you to convert into centimeter. Use the formulas and convert into centimeter. Question number 2. Convert 600 centimeter into meter. Here they given centimeter, then they told you to convert into meter. Use the formula and find out the answer. Question number 3. Add 41 meter 29 centimeter plus 26 meter 75 centimeter. Question number 4. Subtract 96 meter 32 centimeter minus 20 meter 48 centimeter. Thank you, students.